There's one particular plant that grows in spring that is very hard to miss on Pennyhooks Farm. This field is absolutely full of small yellow flowers called ranunculus, better known as buttercups. The buttercup family is remarkably large. Not all of them are yellow, and they don't all have the same shape. In the case of this field, these yellow buttercups could be of the three most common species. Either Ranunculus bulbosus, or the bulbous buttercup, Ranunculus acris, the meadow buttercup, or Ranunculus repens, the creeping buttercup. It might seem strange that a field commonly frequented by 3 donkeys should display such a vast number of these little flowers. But the donkeys know better than to try a mouthful of buttercups. That is because all species of buttercups are actually poisonous. While some species of butterfly and moth larvae can use buttercups as food, anything else that tries to eat these yellow flowers will be met with a horrifically sharp acidic taste, and blisters form inside their mouths. Yeah, probably better to stick with grass. Fortunately, buttercups are only poisonous while they are fresh, so if a shriveled and dried up buttercup makes its way into a bale of hay, the animals are in no danger, as the poison has long since vanished. Still not a good idea to go eating flowers though, unless you're a caterpillar. One interesting thing about buttercups is that the number of petals they sport can tell you how old the field that they are growing in is. Creeping buttercups reproduce by essentially cloning themselves, which sounds pretty cool at first, but after cloning themselves so many times, more glitches in their genes occur and mutations begin. Creeping buttercups normally have 5 petals, but the longer they have been growing in the meadow, the older the meadow is. Some visitors to the farm, who were sucked into a petal counting craze, noted some of the buttercups had 6 petals, a few had 7, some even had 8. We have further evidence to back up the field's age. Jeff Otter was writing in his diaries about buttercups in the fields during the 1950s. As of 2020, that would mean that Ranunculus repens, creeping buttercups, have been growing and cloning in the same field for at least 70 years. Phew, no wonder the genetic tailoring slowly got a little sloppy.